So in today's video, we have traveled to North Carolina. We are looking specifically at the hotspot, the Mayton. It is a cute boutique hotel that is an iconic place that we want to put our little Pink Wall Designs flair on and walk you guys through that.
Let's take a quick look at the hotel. It's cute, it's quaint, it's set up for weddings, beautiful grounds, but we're gonna focus a little bit more on the restaurant and the patio.
It has some historic elements which we love that brings in a lot of character. Bedrooms could definitely use like a boost and some upkeep, but we are going to look at the exterior today in this video.
So this is the restaurant's patio, and we just felt that it was falling a little bit flat. It didn't really match with the rest of the hotel and the space. Kind of felt a little bit like an afterthought, so we wanted to add new energy and bring in some new feels to this beautiful patio. Right away, we want to paint all those white beams that you see in black. It's just gonna clean it up and transform the vibe subtly.
We're gonna start at the floor. It is already existing kind of like cobblestone brick, which can look dirty, doesn't really get cleaned often. So we're gonna swap that out and do this beautiful tile. It has pattern, it has color, it has dimension. So there's blues, some greens, some grays, and it'll just really brighten up the space.
It's also more friendly for chairs, pushing them in and out, and also women in heels. We do not like cobblestone because it's not very friendly. The chair and tables just look really dated out there right now, so we wanted to do some brand new tables in this nice neutral beige color, and then match those tables with this beautiful gray chair that brings in more comfort as well.
Everybody loves like a nice cushion. It just elevates more luxury feel. One thing we do love that we see is that little table side lamp. It just adds ambiance when you're there eating later. So definitely keep those.
So there's already some existing brick there, which we really do like and brings in that historical feel that we were talking about. So we left the brick alone and then paired it with some really nice, what's like the name for that? The medieval
No.
ring? It's driving me nuts. Wagon wheel chandelier. That is what I was trying to think of. We're gonna remove all those fans that are down the middle of this patio and replace those fans with these beautiful outdoor wagon wheel chandelier. The main event in this redesign is gonna be the lighting. Lighting is everything, especially outside when you're trying to create a vibe in a moment while you're eating.
All along the sides, you're gonna have these single little kind of dollops where they're just little accents and twinkles paired with these sphere light too. These have a color that kind of tie in with the tile and the chairs, just adding some color. We are going to fill that lattice with beautiful greenery, hanging lanterns. It'll be such a vibe and really take kind of everybody's eye from floor to ceilings and bring that wow moment.
Yeah, for an ultra whimsical, destinational feel.
It's an experience.
Because this is such a nice wedding destination, this might be now a space where somebody would care to host a rehearsal dinner and those kinds of things. How it looks now, you might think twice about doing it there, so that's gonna bring in more return on investment for the hotel, more bookings, and just utilizing all of their space to its maximum potential.
From what it is now, you're just walking on the street and you think you're grabbing a quick lunch, to I'm gonna have a moment here and make memories, have my family, and host an event. So that is taking it up to that notch. So here's what the space would look like with all of these changes.
If you guys want some tips on your own hotel or Airbnb listing, or if you have a space that you know of that you think just needs a design refresh, head to our website. You can submit all the details there.
And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, as well as if there is an item on here that you loved, be sure to shop all of those items in the description below.